What you're watching right now could be created without a camera, without manual editing, and without a team, completely free. Just two tools, NotebookLM and Google Vids. In this video, I'll show you how to use them to clone any YouTube channel's structural DNA and turn it into your own fully automated video. To prove it works, I'm using Fern, a 3D documentary-style channel, as the example. But we're not copying their videos, we're only copying the structure and creating brand new content. Step 1. Set up the tools. Open any browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. Click Create New Notebook and name it something like 3D Documentary Automation. Then open Google Vids from your Google Apps and make sure you can create a new video project there too. Step 2. Pull a channel into NotebookLM. Open Chrome Web Store, search for YouTube to NotebookLM, and install the extension. Pin it to your toolbar and connect it to the same Google account you used for NotebookLM. Now open the YouTube channel or playlist you want to learn from. Click the extension icon, choose to send the channel or playlist to your 3D documentary automation notebook, and wait while it imports the transcripts as sources. Step 3. Extract the DNA and script your video. Back in NotebookLM, open your notebook and you'll see all those videos listed as sources. Ask NotebookLM. Analyze these sources and break down the documentary style, hooks, tension, pacing, and dark atmospheric storytelling. Then prompt it. Using that structure, generate 5 original 3D video ideas in the same niche and write a full high-retention script for idea 1 in the same tone without copying any facts or titles. Finally, turn this script into a 12-slide 3D storyboard with slide title, what we see, and the voiceover lines. Copy this storyboard into a new Google Slides file so each slide becomes one scene. Step 4. Build the video in Google Vids. Open Google Vids and create a new project. Import your slides if that option is available, or manually create 12 scenes and paste in the titles and descriptions from your slides. For each scene, paste the voiceover text into the text-to-speech box, pick a voice, and generate the narration. Then use VO inside Google Vids to generate short cinematic clips that match each scene's description. For example, dark 3D cinematic wide shot of a futuristic city at night, grainy documentary texture, dramatic shadows. Add AI music with a prompt like dark, cinematic, suspenseful documentary background score, deep bass, minimal synth. Lower the music volume so the voiceover stays clear. Step 5. Export and repeat for any niche, preview the full timeline, fix any timing issues, then export the video from Google Vids in the highest resolution you can. You've just turned one channel's structure into your own fully automated video, and you can repeat this for any niche: documentaries, tech, finance, gaming, or anything else. You're not copying content. You're using proven patterns, NotebookLM as your brain, and Google Vids as your studio to build original videos faster than ever. If you want more real automation systems like this, built only with free tools, hit subscribe, drop your niche in the comments, and I'll turn it into a full AI workflow in the next videos.